My travel guide to Dubai. The best way to enjoy your travel adventure through the City of Wonders by Angie Quintero. Dubai is one of the seven Emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, a country located on the Arabian Peninsula facing the Persian Gulf. What to do? For a magnificent experience, you can travel in a hot air balloon, take a trip to Abu Dhabi departing from Dubai, Red Dunes Desert, and ride a beautiful camel. Travel tips. Pay attention to how you behave signs in this place. They have cultural norms that we must comply with and respect. If you want to go to the beach, go in winter as it is very hot in this place. When to go? The best time to go to Dubai is between October and March, when the weather is at its best, but if you have a limited budget, it is best to go in summer. Superstitions. It is said that women who do not go with a man are often robbed or disappear. Where to stay? There are two very beautiful and well-priced hotels. The Five Palm Jumeirah that has a private beach in the center. The Roof City Center has 7 minutes from the airport. What to eat? One of the most typical dishes on any Dubai menu is the misi, a dish that is served as a snack. Dubai cuisine includes a lot of vegetables and red meat. In Dubai, culinary customs come from the fusion of Syrian and Lebanese cuisine. What to drink? Chai Sanhabel, ginger tea, is another of the drinks that are usually served in Dubai. Transportation. Dubai is a city to be visited by public transport, metro, bus, or taxi, or with a rental car. Getting around Dubai on foot is pointless, not feasible, and allows you to see almost nothing. Language. The official language is Arabic. English speaking visitors will have no difficulty getting by. Currency. Dubai's currency is the UAE dirham. The UAE dirham is budget to the US dollar. Thanks.